Hi guys, Lee here, Murray Hyundai. Right next to me is our 2014 Santa Fe XL Premium. Come on, let's show you around. Silver in color. Tires are literally like new. This has barely been driven. Under 44,000 kilometers. Seriously. Woo! Oh-ho! Take a look around. Come on. Trailer hitch already installed. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Power liftgate. Oh, look at that. Big cargo area. A couple outlets there. You can plug in a toaster, a cooler. With this XL model, it is a third row seating. Very easy to pull up. Come follow me before I pull this other one up. Third row, have control of their own climate. Ooh, wow, nice. You still have enough room for some groceries here. Parking sensors along the vehicle. Let me pull this down. All right. Very clean, one owner, no accidents. I can't say that enough. Powered seating for the driver, heated seats. You got eco mode, you got a heated steering wheel. This is pretty well equipped. Come see me, Lea Dula, Murray Hyundai. See you soon.